It's me, Bri Reads!
Hi, friends! It's me, Bri Reads, and this is my friend.
Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Oz, and welcome to the shop.
Today, let's create our very own picture books together.
First, with me, we'll create a story. We'll draw the pictures and write the words.
And with me, you'll take those pages and we're gonna build a book.
Today, I'm making a book two kinds of ways. One with just pictures and one with pictures and words. What kind will you make? Let's begin with the pictures only book.
I'm using paper, scissors, a pencil, and something to color with. I take one piece of paper and fold it once, twice hamburger style, then cut on the folds.
These are my pages.
For easy page turning, I fold the edges together like this.
Now for a book with words and pictures.
For this version, I take two pieces of paper, fold them in half, and cut on the folds.
Like this. I'm going to trim the top. I don't want it to be so tall. And just like before, I'm going to fold an edge here for the spine of the book. Now I have books two ways. Before I start drawing, I'm going to plan my story. My story has 8 pages. So watch this. I take a scrap piece of paper
and fold it once long ways and 2 times short ways. This gives me 8 boxes.
Now I'll plan my story.
These boxes will be my pages, the title page, and then I introduce my character. I think about the beginning, middle, and end of my story.
Okay, now I have my idea. The beginning, middle, and end of my story. I'm ready to keep creating and fill in my pages.
I draw everything in pencil before I go in with color. The first page of my story is my title page, Bri Reads. The second page is where I introduce my character, Bee. The third page, Bee is flying through the air. On the fourth page, Bee flies up into the clouds. On the fifth page, Bee flies low to the ground, past the flowers. On page 6, Bee sees something new. On page 7, Bee gets excited. And on page 8, Bee learns to love to read. Let's go on a story walk. Here's my book all together. Now, I'll write a simple story to go with these pictures. I'm taking some notebook paper and making sentence strips on my big pages. For this version of the book, I'll be an author as well. That means I'll write the words using a pencil. As I write my sentence, I leave a finger space between each word. This is Bee. Bee can fly. Up, up, up in the sky and down low. What is this? a book. And on the last page, right in the center, the end.
Great! Now our story is finished and decorated 2 ways. One with just pictures and one with words and pictures. It's time to put our pages together with a cover. Let's visit my friend Oz at their shop.
Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Oz, and welcome to the shop, where we build together using scissors, paper, glue, and other things that you can find or reuse.
Hey, Oz!
Hey, Bri! Hey, friends!
Oz, would you help us turn these pages into a book?
Absolutely. Let's get it!
For a simple way to bind a book, trace your pages on some cover paper 2 times. Cut those out, make a book sandwich, and fold the edges down for easy turning. Glue those together one by one. And that's it! You did it!
For this next version, you might need help from a grown-up and some extra supplies.
Don't forget to prep. You'll need your pages, recycled cardboard, paper for the cover, a hole puncher, scissors, a pencil, tape, yarn or string, and glue. First, take one of your pages and trace on the cardboard 2 times and cut them out. These will be the front and back of your book. Now, we'll cover the cardboard in colored paper. Trace 4 pieces and cut these out. Glue the paper front and back on each cover. With all the inside pages stacked together, now it's time for what? The hole puncher! Start in the center, then bottom, top, and in between. I take the pages and mark the holes with my pencil on each cover and punch those. Bam! Let's line up the covers with the pages and make a book sandwich. Remember your string? Here it comes! Line yours up with the edge of the book, up and down. Leave a little extra and cut. This next part can be a little tricky. We'll take it one step at a time. And remember, you can ask a grown-up for an extra hand. We'll take one end of the string and put it down through the top hole. Take a piece of tape and tape that little guy down. Now, flip to the front and make sure the holes are all lined up. From the front, we go down through the next hole and pull. From the back, we go up through the next hole and pull. Repeat the same steps. Down, pull. Up, pull. When you get to the bottom, wrap it around and from the back, go up and pull. And then, you know what to do. It's down, pull, up, pull until you get to the very top. Hey, you're almost done. Wrap it around the top and tape it to the back. You can leave it just like this, or you can dress it up. Give it the old razzle-dazzle. I'm using different paper to make a spine cover. Cut it out and glue time!
We did it! We made 2 kinds of books.
Wow, Oz! Friends, these look great!
Yeah, they do!
You are very capable book builders. If you want, you can add some cover designs, like a title, a picture, and your name. Thank you so much for creating
and building with us. Remember, if you can dream it, you can make it. Just take it one step at a time.
And please subscribe to my channel for more books and more fun.
See you next time.
Bye-bye!